France is a country located in Western Europe, known for its rich culture, history, art, and food. It is one of the most visited countries in the world, with millions of tourists flocking to its cities and landmarks every year. Paris is the most famous and visited city in France, and it is known for its beautiful architecture, museums, art galleries, and landmarks such as the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre Museum, Notre Dame Cathedral, and the Champs-Élysées. Another popular city is Lyon, which is known for its gastronomy, wine, and beautiful old town. Marseille is another popular city, with its vibrant port, beautiful beaches, and historical landmarks. French cuisine is renowned worldwide for its quality, variety, and sophistication. Some of the most famous dishes include croissants, baguettes, cheeses, wine, escargots, coq au vin, and bouillabaisse. Each region in France has its own specialties, such as crepes from Brittany, cassolette from the southwest, and quiche Lorraine from the northeast. France has a rich and diverse cultural heritage, with many famous artists, writers, musicians, and filmmakers having originated from the country. France is also famous for its fashion industry, with Paris being considered the capital of fashion. French culture is often associated with sophistication, elegance, and refinement. Apart from the famous cities mentioned earlier, France also has many beautiful natural landscapes and historical landmarks that are worth visiting. Some of the top tourist destinations in France include the Palace of Versailles, Mont Saint-Michel, the Côte d'Azur, the Loire Valley, the Dordogne, and the French Alps. France has a long and rich history, with evidence of human habitation dating back to prehistoric times. In the Middle Ages, France was the center of a powerful empire that ruled much of Europe. During the Renaissance, France became a center of artistic and intellectual activity, producing famous figures such as Leonardo da Vinci and Michel de Montaigne. In the 18th century, the French Revolution led to the overthrow of the monarchy and the rise of democracy in France. The country has played a major role in world history, including being a key player in both World War I and II. In conclusion, France is a country that offers a wealth of experiences for tourists, including its beautiful cities, rich culture, delicious food, stunning natural landscapes, and fascinating history. It is no wonder that France remains one of the top tourist destinations in the world.